Hi, I'm Geneva Long, CEO of Bowlus, and today I wanted to show you what Bowlus has in mind for your streaming needs. And so right now I'm inside a 95th anniversary Endless Highways, and part of that 95th anniversary is the Lux package. And the Lux package contains two mounts for tablets, magnetic mounts. And so you'll see one of those behind me right here. And you'll also see one at the foot of the bed. So I'll spin the camera around and show that to you now. So here we are in the living room, and we have the tablet mount right here. So perfect for relaxing on the sofa or dinette. You can also rotate it, and perfect for selecting, the largest possible tablet is what most owners select for this. This is a magnetic piece that would go on the back, and then that easily connects there. And then we have the same setup in terms of the magnetic mount at the foot of the bed as well. And now I'm going to jump into another 95th anniversary edition that has the smart television option as well. So we're inside of another 95th anniversary edition, and these owners have decided to option the smart television, which is right here, instead of that magnetic tablet mount. So that smart television goes right on that same wall, perfect for either watching while you're in the kitchen, which is where I'm standing right now, or obviously relaxing on the sofa, or dinette. And then 95th anniversary editions or Lux package options would still have that second tablet mount right at the foot of the bed, like we saw in the other Bowlus. Let us know if you have any questions about how to option your Bowlus. You can contact our sales team at sales@bowlus.com or reach out to us at bowlus.com. Thank you.